Are you interested in birding? In this video, we'll share some useful tips and tricks to enhance your birding experience. Investing in the right gear is essential. Get yourself a high-quality pair of binoculars and a field guidebook to help you identify different bird species. Learning bird calls can greatly improve your birding skills. Familiarize yourself with the unique calls and songs of various bird species. Timing is everything in birding. Birds are most active during early mornings and late afternoons. Plan your birding trips accordingly for better sightings. Researching birding hotspots is crucial. Look for local parks, nature reserves, and wetlands known for their diverse bird populations. Patience and quietness are key. Approach birds slowly and minimize noise to avoid scaring them away. Observing bird behavior can aid in identification. Pay attention to their feeding patterns, flying styles, and interactions with other birds. Recording your birding observations is important. Keep a journal or use a birding app to document your sightings and any unique behaviors you come across. Dressing appropriately is crucial. Wear muted, comfortable clothing that blends with the environment. Don't forget a hat and sunscreen for protection. Respecting wildlife is essential. Keep a safe distance from birds, nests, and feeding areas. Leave no trace of your visit to preserve their habitat. Joining birding groups can enhance your experience. Connect with local birding clubs or online communities to share experiences and learn from fellow birders.